Let's be honest, selling on Amazon can feel like you're just shouting into the void. So, how do you actually get noticed? Well, the answer might not be on Amazon at all. Today, we're going to break down exactly how to pull customers from all over the internet directly to your products. You know that feeling, right? You've got this great product. You know it's good, but it's just invisible in this massive sea of millions of other sellers. Its potential feels locked away. But what if you could change that? Let's dive into 5 really proven methods to solve this exact problem. Okay, so let's just reframe how we see this for a second. Amazon isn't just a marketplace anymore. It's a vast, chaotic ocean. And your brand? It's a boat, surrounded by millions of other boats, all fighting for the same current. Getting this idea in your head is absolutely critical to everything we're about to talk about. So what's the solution here? We call it external traffic. This is the strategy where you stop waiting for shoppers to just drift by your listing. Instead, you build your own channels, your own streams to guide them directly to your product page from places like social media, blogs, you name it. You basically create your own current. And this quote just nails it. Every single customer you bring in from the outside is like a powerful gust of wind in your sails. It pushes you ahead of the competition. And remember, you're not just making one sale, you're building some serious, unstoppable momentum. Okay, let's open up this toolkit. Our very first tool comes directly from Amazon's own engine. We're talking about sponsored ads. And listen, this is a foundational first step for a reason. It's incredibly powerful. Now, what's really interesting here is that most sellers think Amazon ads only show up in the search results. That's a huge myth. Your ads can pop up on your competitors' pages, on other product detail pages, and, this is the real game changer, on websites and apps completely outside of Amazon. All of a sudden, your playing field gets way, way bigger. So now, let's step off Amazon's turf for a minute. If you think of Amazon ads as casting a really wide net, think of Facebook ads as more of a sniper rifle. If you know exactly who your ideal customer is, Facebook lets you find them with just incredible precision. You probably think the customer journey starts on Amazon or Google, right? Well, think again. A full 21% of consumers, that's more than 1 in 5 people, actually start their product search on social media. They're scrolling through Facebook or Instagram right now, just waiting for you to show up. So what's Facebook's secret sauce? It's all about hyper-detailed targeting. You can reach people based on their interests, their age, where they live, even their online behavior. What this really means is you stop wasting money shouting at everybody, and you start whispering directly to the people who actually want what you're selling. Okay, let's move to our next tool. And this one requires a bit of a shift in mindset. We're moving beyond just getting a quick sale. This is about a long-term investment in your brand. We're talking about building your own community. Look, paid ads are great. They get you customers and they do it fast. But community building? That gets you fans. We're talking about fans who trust you, who come back again and again, and who tell their friends about you. If you're trying to build a brand that lasts, this is how you do it. So you've really got 2 main paths here. The first is organic social media. The slow and steady work of building a real, authentic connection with your own followers. The second path is kind of like a shortcut. Collaborating with influencers. You're basically tapping into the trust they've already spent years building with their audience. All right, this next section is kind of a 2-for-1. It covers our final 2 tools, number 4 and number 5. They both fall under this bigger idea of partnerships, which is all about leveraging assets and relationships that you can build or maybe you already have. So let's break these 2 down. First, tool number 4 is about mining for gold right in your own backyard, your email list. Seriously, if you have a list of past customers, you are sitting on a treasure chest. A simple email with a nice discount can turn a one-time buyer into a lifelong fan. And then we have tool number 5, affiliates. This is all about partnering with people like bloggers and YouTubers who've already done the hard work of building an engaged audience that trusts them. You get to leverage their work to put your product in front of a perfectly targeted, ready-to-buy crowd. So there you have it, a powerful toolkit with 5 very different tools. The real key now is knowing which tool to pull out for which job. And your choice is going to depend on your brand, your budget, and of course, your ultimate goal. Let's just do a super quick recap with this cheat sheet. Want to be seen absolutely everywhere? You're going to use Amazon ads. Need to find that one perfect customer? That's a job for Facebook ads. Want to build a loyal family of fans? You got to focus on community. Need to bring back old customers? Use your email list. And if you want to tap into a ready-made audience, that's where affiliates are your best friend. And that's your toolkit. The information is all here, but the real work, well, that starts now. So the only question left is this. Looking at all these tools, which one are you going to use first? What's your next move?